You gotta get the guard, you gotta get the guard, you gotta get the guard. There you go, there you go. Remember we worked on. Triangle, arm. You gotta get the arm, you gotta get it out, take it out.
Come on,
Get on him.
Stay low, shoot in.
Shoot.
Take your shot. Take down, stay on him,
Stay on him, side control.
Slow it down. Play it smart.
There you go, son.
Get out of there, tell me get out of there.
Back up, stand up, back out. There you go, get out. There you go, stay on him. Stay on him, son. Don't go in his guard. Push the knee down, push that knee down. There you go. Just there you go, pass it. There you go, the other one. Pull that knee out. Watch your balance. Shoot it over. Go. Get that other leg out. Push his knee down. There you go. Work the submission. If he gives it to you, take it.
Pick up your card. Jason Young from Team Red Star. Your card is at 311. You dropped it. David,
Work that on. Get that on. He tapped.
Tap.
Good job, Alex.
Good job, son.